decluttering and reorganizing all of the drawers is like my main priority today in this video. So hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and welcome to my spring cleaning series. This is the kitchen part 2 where I declutter and organize and wipe out all of my drawers. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose solution in a bowl with hot water, and I take a microfiber cloth and I just get it wet, wring it out, and then wipe out all of the drawers. But first I'm taking out everything in the drawers, and then I wipe it all out, and then I decide how I want to put everything back in. So you'll see that throughout this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you join my family. There will be a giveaway when I reach 100 subscribers, so please be here for that. I would love to have you. Please give me any suggestions down below for any videos, cleaning, organization related, and let's get into it. I couldn't quite decide how I wanted to move around the decorations on my counter, and I actually switched the candles around and removed this stand and put it somewhere else in my house. So I will show you that on my Instagram, so make sure to head over to my Instagram and check out the decor pictures that I have going up over there if you want to see how I decided to decorate my counters. And also above my cabinets too, that picture will come as well, so stay tuned for that. I will link my Instagram handle below. And just so you know too, this did take me the whole weekend. I started on Friday on my break with work, and then I picked up during the nap times for my son, and yeah, it took me until Sunday. So that's why I look different in each video, but I am being realistic. This was a big feat for me with a 1-year-old, and he's constantly running around, and we have busy lives. We have stuff to do on the weekends. But yeah, you see me here. This is his drawer where I've just thrown everything, like old bottles and parts that we don't use, and just so much junk I just throw in there, and I love how it turned out. I will also post a picture of that as well. I didn't want to make this video super long. I already had to cut it down from an hour to like 15 minutes. So yeah, that's why it's also super sped up, just so you don't get bored. And yeah, you don't want to be sitting here watching me clean for an hour, I'm sure, but I really loved how it turned out. I used Tupperware for organizing bins until I get some from the Dollar Tree.
Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
I was so sick under here from our toaster because we put the toaster underneath here so it's not on the counter, but it is so many crumbs. I don't recommend it unless you're going to clean it out every day, because in this casserole dish is like dead bugs. I'm just going to be really realistic, and I feel like my skin's crawling. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really overwhelmed. I need to get rid of some appliances, and I need to get rid of a lot of the baby drawer and get it reorganized. Seeing everything out, I don't like it. So yeah, so we're gonna try and just get everything decluttered and make piles of what I'm going to give away and what I'm gonna save for the next baby. And then you need to get off of the vacuum. Yeah, you do. I still need to clean out the sink, and I'm gonna do under the sink for another day. I'm just not even gonna deal with that, and I'm not gonna do the fridge in this video. I will do the fridge in a separate video. I don't know if I'm gonna do under the sink yet, because I want to do like some special organization. Under the stove I might do as well. But I think just like decluttering and reorganizing all of the drawers is like my main priority today in this video. So it's what we're doing. And I really want to clean out the sink with some like baking soda. So I gotta go get my child because he's getting into the broom. This is a crock pot I'm going to keep. I do know that I am going to have the liners in there. Now for the baby drawer. I don't really use this, so I'm going to throw these away. What?
You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off, you're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off.
Thank you so much for watching today's spring clean part 2 to my kitchen video. Stay tuned next week for what is next up. I will keep you posted, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.